everyone, welcome back to IGG Garage. Today we're tackling a common issue that can leave you stranded if you're not prepared: error code P0093. This code is all about a large fuel leak in the system, and finding the right sensor is key to fixing it. So, if your car's throwing this code, stay tuned as we locate the sensor that could save you a lot of time and money. P0093 stands for Fuel System Leak Detected Large Leak. This code is commonly found in diesel engines, indicating that the ECU has detected a significant drop in fuel pressure. This could be due to a leak, a faulty sensor, or even issues with the fuel injectors. One of the main culprits we need to check is the fuel rail pressure sensor, which monitors the fuel pressure. Now, let's get to the critical part: finding this sensor. Alright, the first thing you want to do is locate the fuel rail pressure sensor. This is a small but crucial component that sits directly on the fuel rail. In most vehicles, you'll find the fuel rail running along the top of the engine, especially in diesel models. Let's zoom in so you can see exactly what we're looking at. Right here, you can see the fuel rail, and attached to it is the fuel rail pressure sensor. It's usually a small cylindrical component with an electrical connector coming out of it. This sensor's job is to monitor the pressure of the fuel being delivered to the injectors. If it detects a drop, it signals the ECU, which can then trigger the P0093 code. If you're getting a P0093 code, the first thing to check is this sensor and its connections. Make sure the wiring is intact and there are no signs of corrosion or damage. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as a loose connector or a damaged wire causing the sensor to send incorrect signals to the ECU. The symptoms of a P0093 code are pretty noticeable: reduced power, rough idling, and that dreaded check engine light. In diesel engines, maintaining proper fuel pressure is crucial for performance. A faulty sensor or a real fuel leak can cause these symptoms, and finding the sensor is your first step towards fixing the issue. If you found that the sensor is faulty, replacing it is a straightforward task. Once replaced, clear the P0093 code with your OBD2 scanner. Check for leaks in the fuel lines as well, because the sensor could be doing its job correctly, and there might be an actual leak elsewhere. After replacing or fixing the necessary parts, take your car for a test drive to ensure the problem is resolved. Finding the right sensor can be the difference between a quick fix and a long day under the hood. By knowing where to locate the fuel rail pressure sensor, you're already ahead of the game in fixing a P0093 code. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more car tips and stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.